Lesson 3. Reading Drawings and Specifications. Understanding how to interpret building plans and written specifications is vital for any construction project. Interpreting a building plan correctly requires the ability to read symbols, dimensions, scales, and notes to understand the layout. Drawing a building plan to scale means that all the lengths on the plan are proportional to the real lengths by a stated scale factor. This allows large real dimensions to be accurately represented on a smaller sheet of paper. While plans communicate the layout using scale, symbols, and dimensions, elevations on building drawings mainly show the vertical faces of the building as seen from the outside. Sometimes drawings will include specific features, like stairs. On a simple elevation showing steps, the rise refers to the vertical height of one step, while the going, or tread depth, is the horizontal distance from the face of one riser to the face of the next. Alongside drawings, you will use specifications. Specifications detail materials, standards, and workmanship. For example, specifications for brick bonds tell the builder which bonding pattern to use when laying the wall. A specification stating a concrete mix ratio, such as 1:2:4, communicates the proportions of cement, sand, and aggregate by volume. Finishing specifications typically cover surface treatments, such as plaster, paint, and other final appearances. It is crucial to practice reading both drawings and written specifications together. The drawings show you the physical form and layout, while the specifications detail the specific materials and quality standards required to get the job done properly.